I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do.
Alright, what's going on? I just picked up this motorcycle jack from Harbor Freight. 80 bucks. Put it together in about 10 minutes. It's actually not too bad. I'll throw it on the bike and show you what it looks like, how easy it is. Once you get it lined up, it's got these like safeties that lock it in. Just let the pressure off a little bit, locks right in. Obviously you want to make sure you got it even on the frame, not sitting on anything. It's got different heights, and that's where it just locks in. You got the 3 settings, and it's a Pittsburgh 1,500 pound. But I mean, usually Harbor Freight ain't the best, but thing seems pretty solid actually. So if you rock the bike, it's not going anywhere. Side to side, front to back, it's not moving. Try to move the whole thing, you have to really try, but it's pretty good. I mean, it was like 130 bucks, but it was on sale for 80. Picked it up. Gets the job done. I'll put a link somewhere in there. Thank you.
I'ma give it all I got, all I got. Like 23, I stay on top, stay on top. I do it